Alright, in this video we are going to be solving the indefinite integral of ln of x squared over x times dx. Alright, how are we going to do this? This looks a little bit tricky, but it's actually not that bad if you think about using U-substitution. So let's choose U, and we want to choose U wisely. So let's say U is, now you choose what U is. I know that's a very bad and incorrect grammatical statement. So anyways, so let's choose U to be ln of x. Okay? And the reason why we choose U to be ln of x is because when we take the derivative, so when we take the derivative of this, in other words, taking the derivative on this side, du, it's just going to be 1 over x. Remember the derivative of ln of x? So it's basically 1 over whatever's in the inside times the derivative of the inside. So it kind of sounds like the chain rule a little bit. And it is, actually. Now, don't forget the dx because we're doing the derivative with respect to our x. So it's going to be du equals 1 over x times dx. All right, so now let's see. Can we replace our u terms with our x terms that we have over here? Well, so we can replace ln of x as u. What about 1 over x times dx? Do we have that where we can substitute that in here? Well, yeah, we actually can. Because pretend we're multiplying this whole expression by 1. This is actually going to be 1 over x times dx. And that's what we have over here. So we actually can replace that over here. Now let me erase this one. This was just to kind of get you to see the picture. All right, so let's go ahead and replace our u and our du. So ln of x is substituted with u. So it's going to be the integral of u squared, and this whole expression right here is going to be du. All right, now let's go ahead and evaluate this integral. This is definitely something that we can evaluate. So it should end up being, remember derivatives of, or antiderivatives of polynomials. You add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. So it should be u cubed plus 3, or sorry, u cubed over 3 plus c. Now this is technically good enough to conclude our answer, but if you want to back substitute our u, you can. So let's just plug in u back in. So u we said was ln of x, so it's going to be, if we substitute here, in terms of x, it's going to be ln of x cubed over 3 plus c. So let me also box this answer. So either of these answers work. Most of the time, you probably want your answer to be in terms of what you were originally integrating. So in this case, we were originally integrating with the variable x. So it's always good to back substitute our u in for x. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something today.